Every year, people need to move, and that's usually because something in their life has changed. Because let's face it, life is full of surprises. Let me show you just how many big life changes people have been through lately. This chart sheds light on life-changing events that took place over the last 2 years. From the joy of welcoming new arrivals to bittersweet farewells, to fresh starts and well-earned retirements, these life-changing moments just might lead you to consider finding a new home. If you're entering a new chapter in your own life, a trusted real estate agent can help. Whether your household is growing so you want more room, you're recently separated and need your own place, or you're ready to downsize to something with less maintenance, that's where I come in. I know the local real estate market like the back of my hand, and I'm here to save you time and reduce your stress. I'll help you find a home that perfectly suits your evolving needs. So if you're experiencing a life-changing event that's moving you to buy or sell, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here for you. Give me a call today.